Okay, welcome back to the two-stroke turbo channel. Welcome back to the 1957 Berkeley project. We're working on our wheels today. I don't know if you guys recall, but the wheel spacing or wheel bolt pattern on a Berkeley is 5 wide. 12-inch tires, 5 wide on the hub. And I didn't like how thin these tabs are, so I welded these little triangles on. You can see all the little triangles, they're little gussets for roll bars to make them a little stronger. So I did that to each one of the wheels and cleaned them up really good. I think that's going to make them a little stronger. I was able to get a couple of welds on there just to give that little tab some more strength and not rip the wheel off. The other thing that we're doing is we're recreating the front girders. You can see how rusted these are. These are the strengthening girders that go under the engine mount and the cross member area. So I've got 1x1 tubing, some galvanized building material that will act as a place to rivet to the fiberglass, and then I'm going to have to weld angles back there to connect to the firewall. But I think I've got something that I can work with. It's approximately the same size. It's a bit stronger because it's tubing versus just channel. I think it's going to work, and this is a little wider. So I'm excited. We're going to keep moving on this project, and one of these days we're actually going to have an engine installed, and I will reveal what that engine is in an upcoming video. So hang with me, and you're going to have to deal with a little bit of suspense. We're going to make it happen, Captain. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.